Hello everyone! If you want to know how to download and install a custom font, this tutorial is for you. So the first thing we need to do is download a font. We will use Dafont website to search for a good one. This is the biggest platform, and I recommend it. You can filter it by categories. I will choose this one for example, so let's download it. Once downloaded, you need to extract it. And now go to the font settings in your computer and just drag the file right here. If this option doesn't appear, you can always go to your Windows folder, then search for fonts, and drag the file there. In my case, I'm getting an error because I downloaded this font already. That's how easy you can install a font. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.